Budget Office, Ma'am Asel Pinuela.
Human Resource Management Office, Ma'am Elvira Magon.
Municipal Agriculturist Office, Sir Gaspar Pasionela.
Municipal General Service Office, Sir Rolando Villagracia.
Office of the Local Civil Registrar, Sir Herminio Palay.
Office of the Municipal Accountant, Ma'am Ruby Socrates.
Office of the Municipal Treasurer, Ma'am Ludivina Palay.
Office of the Municipal Assessor, Ma'am Mildred Valdez.
Office of the Municipal Social Welfare and Development, Ma'am Natividad Dujonyo.
Municipal Health Office, Dr. Dan Del Rosario.
Municipal Environment and National Resources, Sir Joji Laurente. Ayan. We would like to acknowledge also sa ating mga guests from M. Lulier Pontiac. Ayan. Thank you po sa pagsama sa parade. Ang ating Municipal Police Station, headed by our Senior Police Inspector, Ma'am Annalyn Aurelio Palma. RPSB Company Commandant 1st MC RPSB 4B